I just found out that my friend is addicted to brake fluid. It's okay though, because he can stop anytime. What's up guys? In today's video we're going to have some fun with the Yukon. Now you may have seen my other videos where I compared 4 different Cherry Bomb mufflers on my Silverado and my Yukon. And one of the comments on those videos was, what would it sound like if you put all 4 Cherry Bombs on at once? So today we're going to do it.
Excellent.
We're going to throw all 4 Cherry Bomb mufflers on my Yukon. We're going to get a sound test with no muffler at all, and then we're going to do the Vortex, then add the Glasspack, then we'll throw on the Extreme and finish off with the Turbo. Can't wait to hear how this sounds. Let's get started. That was interesting. Hopefully you found it interesting too. I really like the way the Vortex and the Glasspack sounded together, and then when we put the Extreme on the end of that, it really kind of gave it a nice bassy tone that I really thought was kind of cool. So anyway, pretty interesting. Let me know what you think about having 4 Cherry Bombs on the vehicle all at once. What do you think of the sound in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching, and God bless.